Yes, you did.
Stephanie said if we're going to go this big, we might as well get a 4-seater.
Yeah.
So now we can take the whole family if we need to. Setting up camp. Got a little fire pit right in the middle. We got a nice ass camper in the back of their truck now. They've came a long way. Here, we're like, damn, we're following you guys. So far this park's been full of mud holes, and I managed to find the deepest one. That's a Land Cruiser.
Nice. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.
That is awesome.
Tacoma.
Oh, there's another one? That's a huge group. Wow.
You don't run into full-size units out here, buds.
No, not really. Other than Jeep Wrangler.
We interrupt our program to bring you this important message.
So, when you guys are out riding on the trails, having fun in the forest, see how beautiful the forest is? Look at the rock sculpture. Look what God's done for you. Okay? Don't leave your trash. Take it with you. Put a bag on the side of your side by side or whatever you got and put your trash in that bag. It's very easy.
Hey, don't say that. Why would you say that?
Yeah, but look how much space it's got.
Yeah, stay over there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you better hug that.
There you go, you got it.
Right here might be a more of a problem. Just watch.
like 30 of them.
Thank y'all.
Yep.
It's been nothing but Toyotas and Jeeps.
20?
Hang out till they all go by.
I guess.
There was just a bunch of Toyotas at first, like 4Runners and shit, and Tacomas, and we're like, oh, okay, that's done. And then 5 Jeeps passed, and we're like, okay, now it's got to be done. Drive a little bit further, 6 more Jeeps, no, probably more than that, like 8 Jeeps came, and it's like, oh my goodness, thought that that was done.
Looking fine as hell. We're here at the picnic point. On this side of picnic point, you get this view. On the other side of picnic point, nice. You see the Hollerwood sign way up there on the cliff. And it's cool because there's a trail down there as you're coming up the hill. You can see it to your right hand side. If you're going down, you can see it to your left hand side.